Rain hammered the attic window as Beth pried open a dust-caked trunk. Inside, nestled among yellowed papers, sat an antique typewriter, its keys gleaming despite thick cobwebs. Curious, she lifted the carriage. The machine trembled and, with a mechanical clatter, began typing on its own. She stared, frozen, as words formed. "Midnight. The visitor comes. Do not open the door." Her pulse raced. The keys paused, then continued. "He takes what answers." Beth's breath fogged in the cold air, heart pounding as the clock downstairs chimed 11. She laughed nervously, blaming her imagination. Still, she dragged a chair against the door, just in case. Midnight struck. 3 hard knocks echoed through the house. Beth pressed her back to the door, whispering, "Go away." Silence, then the typewriter clacked again. "You already answered." The doorknob twisted violently. Beth screamed as the door splintered inward. In the shards of moonlight, a faceless figure reached for her. The last words appeared on the typewriter. "All warnings are invitations."